In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Dropbox on your laptop efficiently and quickly. Whether you're looking to seamlessly store, share, or sync files across devices, Dropbox proves to be an indispensable tool in your digital arsenal. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you set up your Dropbox environment with confidence and ease. First, let's start by navigating to the official Dropbox installation page. Open up your preferred web browser and type in dropbox.com/install in the address bar. This is the safest and most direct way to get started, making sure that you're downloading the application directly from the source, avoiding potential security risks associated with third-party sites. Once you're on the Dropbox installation page, you'll see a prominent button labeled Download Dropbox. Go ahead and click that. This action will initiate the download of the Dropbox installer onto your laptop. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. When the download is complete, you'll need to locate the installer file in your Downloads folder, or wherever your default download location is. Double-click the installer file to open it. At this point, a series of installation prompts will guide you through the process. The instructions are intuitive, but it's important to pay attention to each step to ensure smooth installation. The wizard may ask for administrative permissions to install the application, so make sure you have the necessary access rights to proceed. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, clicking Next as you move through each step of the setup. Once installed, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Dropbox account. If you're already a Dropbox user, enter your email and password to log in. In case you're new to Dropbox and haven't made an account yet, don't worry. You can easily create one by selecting the option to sign up. It's a straightforward process requiring basic information like your email and a secure password. Creating an account will grant you access to a generous amount of free cloud storage space, with options to upgrade for more storage. After you've successfully logged in, you'll notice that a Dropbox folder has appeared on your laptop. This folder is the heart of your Dropbox experience on your machine. Anything you place into this folder will automatically sync with your Dropbox account online, making file sharing and storage hassle-free. This means you can access your files from any device with an internet connection, simply by logging into your account. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to get Dropbox up and running on your laptop. With these steps complete, you're now ready to start enjoying the benefits of having your files organized, accessible, and securely backed up in the cloud. Happy syncing!